friends, today I am sharing a monotone Valentine makeup look. This is very delicate and soft look. Anyone can achieve this with minimal effort. I always had fascinated towards about monotone look because I feel this looks so classy, soft and delicate. And because Valentine Day is coming up, I am using peach and pink eyeshadow. Cause for the delay, let's begin. Take a spooling brush and start brushing downward. For eyebrows, I am using e.l.f. brand brow pencil and filling the sparse space in upward area, and I am stroking in same direction of hair. Please do not push much pressure on. Do it lightly, I am saying, because it will end with harsh line and will look fake. We are creating very soft and delicate look. When I fill my brows, I use a pencil which is lighter than my brow, so it does not look fake and it looks more natural. After filling in my brows, I use spooling brush and brush upward. When filling the eyebrows, I am using light color eyebrow pencil. I am using hair brown color, so it does not look over. But if you are like more fuller and dark brows, so you can use dark pencil. For apply primer on lid, please make sure you clean the eyelid with makeup remover because later it will look cakey. As a primer on my lid, I am going to use first eye primer and wait for 2 minutes for starting new process. Then apply the concealer. But if you have oily skin, you should apply eyeshadow primer and better off the concealer because it will hold longer than concealer. It's time to set the eyelid with powder, but very lightly. Take a brush, slightly dip in powder and tap it 2 times so you can remove the excess powder and use very minimum amount on the eyelid. When you set eyelid with powder, it will give you a blank canvas. For eyeshadow, I am here using 2 eyeshadow. These colors are peach and pink and other are glitter eyeshadow. I am taking small fluffy brush, dip into the peach shade and starting on crease area. We can also say transition color. Move brush slowly from outer to the inner crease and then blend. Next, I am taking a bullet shaped brush, dip it in pink shade and start working on outer and the inner corner. And I am going to be smoking. It's out in my lower lash line using flat fluffy brush. Apply eyeshadow in outer and inner corner and leaving the center part of the glitter. For eyeliner, today I am not using gel or liquid eyeliner. For a delicate and soft look, I am going to use matte black eyeshadow with the help of angle brush. I am starting with my lower lash line corner, pulling out a wing and joining to my top lash line. And then same eyeshadow, I am going to fill that area, lower lash line using a flat definer brush that gives you a nice cat eye. I am going to extend this in the line inner corner using the same eyeshadow and the brush. I am using nail art brush. It's time to add glitter right in the center of the lid. Here I am using my finger, but you can use flat shader brush also. And I am also going to be using it in the inner part of lower lash line using a flat shader brush. It's time to finish up. So I am going to curl my lash before I apply the mascara. You can use any mascara. If you prefer, you can also use false lash. Either way it looks pretty. And here is completed eye look. Although we have a hollow eye and wing going on it, does not look harsh. It still looks nice and soft and delicate. And this is the kind of eye look that I personally prefer, but I love to hear your thoughts. So let me know into the comment section below. Would you try this look? For whole monotone theme, I am going to be use same shade of pink eyeshadow on my cheek with the help of brush. For soft overall glow, I am going to be using highlighter with blending brush. Gives you beautiful glow. I personally not into the whole Instagram highlighter trend, which is really intense. It look good in picture, video, or if you are going into the red carpet, gala event, or in the evening marriage. But in real life or small parties, gathering, does not look realistic. And on my lips, I am going to be using little darker pink shade than eyeshadow. And hair is completely done. It's almost like a get ready with me for my Valentine's Day night. Exactly how I am going to get dressed for Valentine's. What about you? Would you wear this look? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you enjoy this tutorial, as always, please don't forget to thumbs up. If you are new, please consider subscribing. If you like to watch more videos like this along with hacks and tips and tricks, so please stay tuned. I love you guys so much and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.